Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off automatic focus on iPhone. So if your iPhone focus automates itself and it turns on automatically like my own does here. So you're gonna see the moon icon just beside the time dynamic lamp here. Then this video is gonna walk you through how you can easily turn this off or disable the automatic focus on your iPhone. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, with the iPhone automatic focus disabled, this is going to allow you to turn off scheduled focus. So the scheduled focus is probably the automatic focus you're looking for. So what you just need to do here to disable or turn off automatic focus on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to focus and then click on that. Now, once you selected focus, you're going to see all your focuses here. So if you have multiple focuses enabled, then you want to select the focus where you want to turn off automatic focus. So in this case, I have do not disturb turned on. So click on that. Then if you scroll down the page, it should say set a schedule. You can see I have my automatic focus schedule turned on, and this is going to turn on focus between 6 a.m. and 5 p.m. every day. You can see I have every day. Now, for me to be able to turn off automatic focus here, you just need to click on the active schedule on the focus. So click on that. Then you can either disable schedule like this, or better still delete the schedule. So if you disable schedule, you're gonna see focus disabled from the pop. And now if you delete the schedule while the focus is turned on, what you just need to do is come here, click on the schedule, then click on delete schedule. Do you want to delete this schedule? Yes. Then once you delete that, that is going to delete automatic or schedule focus on your iPhone. Then the next thing is come back to your control center. Then you can see that your focus is no longer enabled, and if it is enabled, just go ahead, click on it once to turn it off. And once that is off, then the automatic focus is going to disable. So that is basically how to turn off automatic focus on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.